You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today, Alyse and I got a very special surprise box.
Yes, but we also have to say thanks to Creative Kids for sending us this box.
Inside the box is some sets. Let me just let's tool around the box here. There's a side with question marks.
Okay.
That's because we don't know what's in it.
Yes.
There's another side with the logo, okay? And then the last side has question marks. Okay?
Great.
All right, so I'm going to raise the camera up. You are the surprise box, find what's inside
Surprise box champion.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, so now you need to find out what's... Ooh, I see something right at the top.
Right
go
there.
ahead.
Okay.
Grab that
Grab
one.
that first.
Okay, let's see. This says magnetic tile art. All right, we'll set that one here. Anything else in there? I'm sure they gave us more than one set. Ooh, this is window art paint activity set. Anything else? Dig deep.
Sure.
Dig deep.
Oh, right here.
Okay, what's that?
Magic
Ooh,
Bouncy Balls.
Magic Bouncy Balls. Create your own super balls. Now, I have done a variety of these on video before. Let's just see. Anything else in there? Anything hiding? I think we got it all.
Yeah, I think
Okay,
so.
let's get those 3 sets in there.
Okay.
Now, the Magic Super Balls, or Bouncy Balls, I have done on video a few times, but I hear it's kind of like a new, improved version of that.
Oh, okay.
I might do that one later alone, since I've done that one before.
Okay.
And then I have done window art before, maybe with or without you, I don't remember, but I have done it before. The only thing I've never done is this on video.
Okay.
Magnetic tile art.
Then we should do that one.
Yeah, because you're more artistic than me. We'll come up with something, and we'll see how this one plays out. So let's move this one out of the way. Let's turn these boxes around, and we can check them out for a later date. All right, let's see. Pour, dip, and bounce. So there's all the steps. Makes up to 43. That's a
Wow.
lot.
Yep.
And it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shaped containers in there. Does it say anywhere on the side? No, it doesn't.
Okay.
This one says, create and imagine your very own window art with the Creative Kids Window Art Kit. This kit includes all that is needed to create amazing window decorations, make a beautiful flower, or a silly cake. With Creative Kids Window Art, the possibilities are endless. There's 24 suction cups, and then 4 yards of cord inside, whatever that means. Maybe you need that, for hanging. And that also comes with 11 colors of paint. And it's just a paint, peel, and stick kind of thing. All right, so
Alrighty.
we need to, and those are both 6+.
Yep.
This one is 6+. All right, let's come back. Let's get this one out of the box, and we'll start doing our art project.
All
Okay, Creative Kids Magnetic Tile Art. Paint your own magnets.
Okay.
10 magnetic tiles included.
Got it.
Well, I'll tell you what, Mother's Day is coming up, so maybe you should do something for that, like heart, or say, love mom, or I love mom, or something like that. Think about that. This way you can be somewhat creative while I just do something totally out of the element here. All right, 10 magnetic tiles inside. Paint them your way. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we have some warm water suggested off to the side, and a second paintbrush so that I can paint, or I can give you the really good paintbrush, and I'll use the one that comes standard with the kit. Okay.
Okay. I think this needs to be cut.
Well, here's the tiles.
And I need to cut that.
Okay, I'll cut that.
Scissors over here.
Put those out.
Okay.
Oh no, this has a little. Oh no, you're right. I cut it. It's easier. Here's the paints.
There we go.
Let me get the camera in the right position though.
So many tiles.
And here's the magnetos. Okay, so this is a sticky magnet that you'll put on the back. Okay. Yeah, I'll tell you what, put a paper towel underneath.
Okay.
And then we have something to work on. Oh, problems or questions? Do not return to store for customer service.
Like
Go
that?
there. Yeah.
Alright. I'll give you a piece.
So we're adding a paintbrush.
Here you go.
Okay, so there's your paints.
Okay.
Maybe you could do like 2 tiles that have to be together if you think about it.
Maybe.
Or you could do just one. Whatever's easier for you.
Yeah.
I don't want to give you too many ideas here.
No, they're good ideas.
Adult supervision recommended. Please read all instructions before beginning. 10 pieces of child. You'll need a pencil. You'll need a pencil. Small container of warm water. Hey, wait a minute.
Oh, you have a pencil.
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 A clean sheet of paper. I can find that. Begin by using your pencil to sketch designs on each of the tiles. Okay. Use the pictures on the box for ideas or use your own imagination for unique designs. Now use the paintbrush and paint strip to carefully color your designs. Okay. Dip your brush lightly into the color. Add paint to your brush. Try outlining your design in a dark color and filling it in with a lighter color.
Okay.
Allow each color to dry slightly before adding the next. Okay, you gotta let them dry. And then remember to use the warm water to clean your brush between colors and when you're finished. Try mixing 2 or more colors to produce new ones. Test your color mixture on the clean sheet of paper before using it on your tiles. When you have finished coloring your design, let the paint dry on the finished tile for about an hour before continuing. Now it's time to turn your paint tiles into magnets. Peel the backing sheet off of one of the rubber magnets. Okay, I see. Got it. You peel that off.
Okay.
Apply it carefully to the back of your tile. Make sure to press firmly. You're done. Your completed magnet will stick to the fridge and most other metal surfaces. Paint it. Maggot. Display it.
Okay.
Like magnets.
Yes.
All right, start thinking about a color there. Open with some of the colors if you can.
I think I might take your idea and do the 2 tiles. And put like love and then you. And then give it to Mom. Thank you.
There's your little sketch pad. I am going to do, I don't know what I'm going to do. You have the pencil.
Yeah.
I will take a pen. I'm just going to trace my tile so I know the size of my tile.
Alright. Wait, should I do the same maybe?
Same like I'm doing?
Yeah, like trace it.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
And then I think I'm just going to go here like a little sun in the corner. Sun. Then we'll make this all yellow. And then I'm going to put wavy water lines at the bottom. And then I'm going to put a nice big green shrubbery here. Okay. Over the water, hanging over the water. There's some land. And I'll put a little birdie out in the sky. See how simple mine is? Yours is going to be much more difficult. But you know what? We'll have to cut in and out. So you got time. Take your time. Don't rush on my account. Okay, so this is the twisty kind. I'm just going to open them all up so we're ready. All right, so if the camera checks in and out, we'll check back. We'll just, we might have to take a break. We might have other distractions. I don't know. So if you see a little bleep, then that's why.
See how to do.
Yeah, you can just put little hearts around. You don't have to do anything really out of the ordinary. How would you get red here? That's the question if you want to use red. Can you get red from these colors? I don't know.
I don't know.
Maybe pink and something. Okay, so I'm ready. Oh, my bowl of water.
Let's see. I'm gonna put that on the top too.
So I am going to do a sun.
Okay, I think that looks okay.
Okay, there we go. I'm going to do... Now remember, if you're overlapping colors, then you got to let that color dry a little.
Alright.
I'm going to do little orange lines.
I think I don't need too much.
Okay. My sun.
My son. Okay. Yeah, let me bring my water closer.
Yes, now I need blue for my water.
Yellow.
Those are waves, by the way, in case you're wondering.
Alright. Ooh, I think I need to dry it off more.
Yeah, dry it off real good when you're...
Yeah, got it.
What, is that like a light blue? What color do you have there?
Well, I didn't add a lot of the blue on there.
Oh.
So I guess it just turned out to be light blue.
Okay, now I need my greenery. La da da da. I'm doing the very famous stipple technique, done by professional artists. I picked that back up in Paris, France, when I was about 1 year old. I learned how to do that technique. There, see my tree? Oh, I would stay away from the yellow from now on. It's hard to see on the tile. Go it all dark. Here, dip it in more. You're not getting enough.
Yeah. I want to kind of make it a little bit faded out.
And then my bird. I'll use the purple. I don't know how I'm going to do the bird.
I'm not wipe it off.
There, he's flying into the sun. Yeah, you're going to have to put a lot more paint on it so it shows up better.
Got it.
Okay, I'm going to do a quick adjustment here. My tile is done, so you see artwork in less than a minute. See that?
Yeah, looks
so
beautiful.
We'll show a close-up of yours, and we'll check back in and out.
All right.
Alyse just finished the U.
Yes.
So now line it up there. Let me make some room here. We'll clean this up.
Okay.
Now we did have hers on a little fan. Let me get that for you.
Okay.
Now we can dry it while we're cleaning up. Start cleaning up your paints. Move your stuff out of the way. Mine is dry. Yeah, let's get this out of here. Your love actually looks dry. Okay, so I will peel the magnet strip. Ooh, I almost feel like I want to keep this other magnet, right? These strips for something, maybe it can be used. Okay, so
Maybe.
I think your love, you could do your love.
All right.
Okay. Okay, so the back looks like a real ceramic tile.
I think I can.
Yeah, just set it on there and push
Yeah,
down.
you can just-
And be careful. Here, I'll do the U so we can get that done. And I'll have to find something metallic we could stick these to so you can see how it works.
Good. Got
Oh,
it.
man. Oh, man. There we go. Okay. So let's get a close-up of those now.
Okay.
Bring them right into the screen. Yeah, right there. Okay, so let them dry a little bit more. Oh, that's nice. You can give her all three now. Love you. In the sun. Look, your sun almost matches
Oh, yeah.
your yellow. Very nice, Alyse.
Thank you. You too.
All right, I need to find something metal. What do I have around here that's metal? Oh, maybe a ruler. I could stick them to. I got metal
Ooh, maybe,
rulers.
yeah. You could try that.
See if they're not aluminum. Let's see. Yep, it sticks.
Woohoo.
Okay, so put mine there. Put yours on there. Let's zoom out. And you see, nice sticky magnets. Okay, they work pretty good, huh?
Shame. There we go.
Okay,
Here.
so they stick great.
Yep.
You'll now have that for a Mother's Day present. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. We had fun. We'll give you more information on the rest of the sets. At some point, I'll come back and definitely do the Magic Bouncy Ball set. I've got 2 or 3 of those videos already, so it'd be nice to see this updated version. And thanks for watching. Later.
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.